So we have been solving some problems from exercise 5.2. Let's try to solve these two problems in this session. The fifth one. So for what value of n or the nth terms of AP 63, 65, 67 and the other AP 3, 10, 17 are equal. So here the 2 AP is given, so we need to find in which place the two value is equal. So we already done this type of problem in previous video by finding two equation and by solving them we find out A and D. The same method we are going to use here also. So let me write the 2 AP first. AP1 which is 63, 65, 67. So AP2 is 3, 10, 17. So we can write the value A 63 from AP1. Let's find out the value A and D from AP1. Sorry, for AP1. Okay, A is 63, D is 65 minus 63 is 2. D is 2, A is 63 for AP1. So the equation will be the AN equation. AN equals and A plus, for A I write 63 plus n minus 1, we don't know n minus 1, yeah, sorry, yes, n minus 1 into D 2. So 63 plus 2n minus 2. So we can write AN as 60, 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n. This is our first equation. And for AP2, let's find out the A and D value. For A equal 3 and D is 10 minus 3, 7. So let me write the AN value for AP2. AN equal, the first value is 3, A plus n minus 1 into D is 7. So we can write 3 plus 7n minus 7, which is here AN. So AN equal 7n minus 4. This is our second equation. Let's solve these two equations. So I am going to use the elimination method in order to eliminate the AN, so which is the same term. So I am going to change the sign. So automatically this will become 0. So 2n minus 7. So minus 5n. So minus 5n plus 65 equals 0. So minus 5n equal plus 65, sorry, plus 65. If it goes to other side, minus 65. Okay, minus 65. Let's cut the negative sign. So n equals 65 by 5. So 13. N equals to 13. So 13th term is equal. Okay, let's try to do the 16th one. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So let's write the given data. First, what is given? The third term, which is A3 equals 16. So this is the only value is given. So let's try to write the equation. So AN equal A plus n minus 1 into D. So which is A3 equal, we don't know A, plus for n 3 minus 1 into D. So A plus 2D. Sorry, we can substitute the value 16 here for A3, right. So this is our equation, first equation. So what is the second statement? 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So we can write, which means the A7 minus A5, the difference between these two terms are 12. So, difference between these two terms is 12. So, before that let me write the equation for the 7th term and the 5th term. For 7th term, how to write the equation? So, A7 equal, A plus n minus 1. For n minus 1, here we have 7 minus 1 into d. So, we can write A plus 6d. This is for A7. And for A5, we can write as A plus 5 minus 1 into d, which is A plus 4d. This is for A5. We know that the difference between these two terms is 12, right. Let me substitute the value. So, here the A7 is A plus 6d, this is one term which is A7, minus for A5 I am going to write A plus 4d, this value. We know the difference is 12. So, I am going to write, I am going to give the minus negative signs inside. So, 4 minus A minus 4d equal 12. Let me cut the minus plus A. So, remaining is 2d, 6d minus 4d, 2d equal 12. So, d is 6. Still we do not know the first term of this AP, we know only the third term which is given A3 equals 16, and we found out d value. So, we can substitute using these two values we can find out A, which is the first term. So, let us write use this formula, we can find A value. So, for AN I write A3, for A we have to find plus, for N 3 minus 1, for D is 6, okay, 6, and next term, in the next step I am going to substitute for A3, the value is 16. So, 16 and A plus 2 into 6. So, A plus 12. So, here 16, A equals 16 minus 12, A equal 4. So, what is the question? Determine the AP. So, we have to write the AP. We know that now we found out the A and D. So, the first value is A 4, comma, the difference is D, which is 6. So, if you add 4 plus 6, the next term will be 12. So, 12, next term 16, and so on.